One thing that you should probably start when you're putting this rack together is make sure that you have a rubber mallet before you get started. I kind of learned that the hard way. Okay, stop. Go ahead and put the rack all together. I've already assembled the sides, and this part is just going to go really fast. So we'll just time lapse. So now that we've got this side done, we just repeat the process on the other side, so nothing crazy. Okay, so now the next step is to flip the tray upside, right side up, and put on the corners. These corners are pretty self-explanatory. You just pop in right there and then get a screw. So again, we don't have anything crazy to walk you through on that. The next step is we're going to go ahead and put on the wind deflector thing that needs to happen. So one of the things that we discovered that is not really described in the instructions is that in order to mount the rack, you're going to be sliding these little nuts on later on when we're putting it up on top. So it tells you to mount the wind deflector first because it is going to be difficult to mount while up there. However, you can't slip a nut on after the wind deflector's on. So you've got to put the nut on first and then install your wind deflector. So I'm going to do that real quick. Flip this over again. Look close. Little cone-shaped washer. They go with the cone pointing up, and then you put the half nuts on. And now when we get them inside here, this little slot here, you're supposed to make sure that the washer is above it.
Putting the funny looking nut on the top, and half nut on the bottom.
Now we're just popping in the half nut at one of these slots. And it'll cooperate. Same thing on this side. Now we just are supposed to center these. Do that by measuring each end. Making sure we're looks like if you do 7 inches on either side, that 7 inches from the edge of the ramp to work. I don't know what's going on with my son. having a rough time over there. Just tighten those up. Okay, everybody around. Micah, kind of take a nice wide shot so you're seeing the whole picture.
So from back far.
Keep going. Lower down. My way, come my way.